gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
Surprisingly, Huawei has jumped into the Pro Max arena as well. The Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max doesn't just bring upgraded specs and stronger performance, it actually comes in at a lower price than the previous generation. At a time when most flagship phones keep getting more expensive, this move from Huawei feels refreshingly different. After spending a few days with it, I've found quite a few standout points worth talking about. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Mate 80 series brings back the iconic star ring design, making it instantly recognizable at a glance. Maybe Huawei thought people might get bored of it, so they added an extra ring at the bottom, making the entire back resemble the number 8. One look and you know it's a Mate 80, and the design even carries a sense of good fortune. That lower ring isn't just for looks either, it's actually part of the wireless charging system. Because the Mate 80 series uses a full metal basalt structure, most of the back is metal, but the surface has a micron-level texture that gives it a frosted glass feel, totally different from the smooth frame. Even better, the area above the camera subtly hides the word Mate, which is a really nice design detail. A full metal body also means excellent durability and drop resistance, so using the phone without a case isn't an issue. But what about signal performance? Huawei clearly thought this through. The edges of the back panel are packed with antennas, and the frame has antenna breaks on all 4 sides. No matter how you hold the phone, signal blockage isn't a problem and connectivity is noticeably strong. On Beijing's infamous Line 10 subway, short videos play smoothly, and even gaming in honor of kings showed no lag or sudden 460 milliseconds ping spikes. On the front, there's a 6.9-inch 2.5D flat display, officially called an ultra-bright and refined screen. It uses a dual-layer OLED design, sharing the workload that used to fall on a single layer. This not only boosts brightness, but also lowers power consumption and slows down screen aging. The Mate 80 Pro Max reaches a peak brightness of 8,000 nits, 4,500 nits at 20% APL, and 2,000 nits across the full screen, staying perfectly visible even under harsh sunlight. Whether you're watching videos or playing games, the colors look vivid and crystal clear. The display is protected by second-generation tempered glass, and with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, durability really isn't something you need to worry about. What impressed me the most over the past few days, though, is Xiaoyi, Huawei's AI assistant. She's basically evolved into a super smart helper. Ordering food with voice commands is already standard, but here's something cooler. She helped me repurchase the exact shampoo I bought last time on JD.com. She checked my recent orders on her own and jumped straight to the payment page. Even better, if I'm gaming or watching a show, all of this can happen in the background. I just confirm the payment with my voice. You can also teach Xiaoyi how to complete tasks step by step, like claiming Meituan coupons. Show her once and she'll handle it automatically next time. Or you can skip teaching altogether and say something like, help me find how to check Beijing Social Security on Xiaohongshu, then check it for me. She'll search for the guide, then switch to Alipay and complete the task. This is the kind of true hands-free AI experience I've been waiting for, and compared to similar features from other brands, Xiaoyi really feels like a breakthrough. For outdoor enthusiasts, the new Mate 80 series introduces an outdoor exploration mode. In this mode, the phone can last up to 14 days and includes tools like satellite communication, a compass, and a Morse code flashlight. You can also add your most used apps to this mode. The navigation system is a joint effort between Huawei Pedal Maps and another app, letting you record, import, and download hiking routes as well as search for popular trails. Right now, I'm looking up a hiking route to Dengling Mountain in Beijing. Along with route details and distance, it also shows elevation gain and potential signal risks. Areas marked in yellow indicate weak signal zones, which is incredibly useful. And if there's no signal at all, the phone supports both Beidou and Tiantong dual satellite communication and can even check the weather via satellite. The standout feature here has to be the 700 MHz network-free communication. It can reach distances of up to 13 kilometers and even pass through 3 walls. Right now I'm far away from my colleague and both of our phones are switched to airplane mode. Let's test how the network-free call quality actually sounds. Moving on to the cameras, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max comes with an ultra-high dynamic range main camera supported by dual periscope telephoto lenses and an ultra-wide camera. This setup easily covers every focal length you'd need for everyday shooting. It also uses a second-generation Red-Wind primary color camera paired with Huawei's 9th-generation ISP, delivering a 43% boost in color accuracy. You can really see the difference. Landscapes look almost exactly like what you see with your own eyes, and when taking photos of people, skin tones come out natural and true. Even in tricky indoor lighting or at night near bright billboards, faces don't suffer from weird color shifts. Shooting a fish tank under highly saturated lighting also shows just how well it preserves the original colors of both the fish and the environment. Thanks to the ultra-high dynamic range main camera, details and colors are better preserved in high-contrast scenes like backlit shots, so people don't turn into dark silhouettes. The super telephoto and telephoto macro capabilities are just as impressive. If you're into live streaming, using the macro mode to show product details is super convenient, and the color reproduction stays very realistic, which is perfect for product showcases. Features like X-MAGE style color cards, AI-optimized lighting, and background blur are all here as well. There's also a surprisingly useful feature for everyday life. A lot of people struggle to capture good facial expressions when taking photos of their partners, even when the angle and pose are spot on. In this example, my expression looks a bit flat, but the Smart Expression Replacement feature fixes that easily. Everything else in the photo stays exactly the same. You just use the front camera to capture a better expression and swap it in. You can even choose fun or playful expressions, and the final result looks completely natural and like it was taken that way from the start. I can even talk to the assistant and ask it to edit the photo for me, just like having a normal conversation. A photo taken on a city street can be turned into a beach vacation shot simply by asking. By the way, if you've bought a Huawei Mate 80 series phone for your parents, make sure to turn on the anti-scam protection. If they receive a scam call, you'll get notified instantly and can hang up and block the number remotely, and effectively cutting off the scammers. The phone can also recognize how you're holding it and automatically place the answer and hang up buttons on the side where your thumb naturally rests, making one-handed use much easier. Overall, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max manages to lower its price without compromising on quality, putting its budget into features that genuinely improve the user experience. The all-metal build delivers both toughness and strong signal performance, while the AI is genuinely useful and keeps learning on its own, giving you true hands-free convenience. The innovative exploration mode and offline communication features open up new possibilities and add an extra layer of safety. High color accuracy and a wide range of practical camera tools make it easy for everyday users to take great photos. At a time when most flagship phones are becoming more expensive, Huawei is actually making high-end features more accessible. That shows real confidence in its technology and a clear focus on user needs. Based on all of this, the Mate 80 Pro Max is well-positioned to compete strongly in this year's premium smartphone market. The base version starts at 7,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 849 pounds in the UK and about $1,132 in the US. And that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.